Ever wondered why some objects float while others sink? Today, let's dive into the fascinating world of buoyancy and Archimedes' principle. From boats to balloons, everything obeys the laws of buoyancy. Buoyancy is the force that makes objects float. It's why a wooden block stays on top of the water while a metal ball sinks. When an object is placed in a fluid, it experiences an upward force called the buoyant force, which opposes the weight of the object. This force is the result of the object displacing some of the fluid it's in, causing the water level to rise. Oops! Not that much, though. Ha 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 ha! Anyways, this story goes that Archimedes discovered this principle while taking a bath and shouted,
Eureka!
Can we say Mr. Archimedes is weird for not having a concert while taking a bath? Archimedes examined various bodies, each of which he placed in a vessel filled to the brim with water. Some objects sank to the bottom, while some floated on the surface of the water. For the objects that floated on the water, the buoyant force was therefore just as great as the weight force, and for the object that sank to the bottom, the buoyant force was less than the weight force. Mathematically, buoyant force can be represented in the formula F buoyant equals to rho multiply V multiply G, where rho is the fluid density, V is the volume displaced, and G is gravity. In the real world, the Archimedes principle helps us design ships, understand how hot air balloons fly, and control the buoyancy of submarines. So we can say Mr. Archimedes' discovery was a W.
Yay!
Thanks for tuning in with Mr. Bubbles. And one last thing, why did the astronaut say Eureka while floating in space? Because he realized that without gravity, ideas really float to the top.